SNKP Government College नीमका थाना, Bhavani Shankar Sharma, Associate Professor English. Today I am going to deliver lecture for class BA part first. Subject is English literature and the paper first. The nomenclature of the paper is poetry and drama. Today's topic is William Shakespeare, not marble nor the gilded monuments. And the date is 17th June 2020. As you know, William Shakespeare is one of the greatest poet and the dramatist in English literature. He wrote so many plays. Some are comedies, others are tragedies and history plays also. William Shakespeare wrote two bigger poems and 154 sonnets in all. Sonnet number 1 to sonnet number 126 have been addressed to a youth, a young man, Mr. W.H. This poem, not marble nor the gilded monuments, is also one of the sonnets which are addressed to this young man, Mr. W.H. Like other sonnets of William Shakespeare, in this sonnet also we have three quatrains of 4 lines each and a concluding couplet of 2 lines. In this poem, the poet wants to explain that poetry is more powerful and more abiding than any marble or gilded monuments which are erected in the memory of some great people. William Shakespeare is of the opinion that marble buildings or the gilded monuments can be destroyed anytime, but poetry is more abiding. It cannot be destroyed, it cannot be diminished. Poet is of the opinion that neither any marble building nor any golden monuments of great emperors shall outlive this powerful rhyme. Outlive means lives beyond. A rhyme means this poem. So poetry is more powerful than any other art. Poet say that his friend shall keep on shining more bright in the contents of this poem than any unswept stone, dirty stone which is besmeared with sluggish time. Sluggish means dirty. Time destroys everything. Time makes everything